Hi, I am Wacky. I am your instructor to teach you how to earn money online. Today I am discussing the role of copywriters. Today you will not only learn the theoretical approach to the roles of copywriters, but I will also teach you to implement it. Copywriting Starter Pack Module 1, The Roles of Copywriters. What are the roles of copywriters? There are 6 major roles of the copywriters. Number 1. To understand the product or service that your client wants to sell. Number 2. How that product or service is going to solve any problem. Number 3. What is the target audience and how to approach it. Number 4. What will be the best way of reaching that target audience? Number 5. What language level would be best to tempt the target audience? Number 6. Develop the content according to the findings. How do you think you could pursue this role? Let's go and implement it. Suppose you got a client who has the following products. Now, your client wants a social media copies for them. What will you do next? In the first stage, you should understand the product. You'll need to ask the client some relevant questions to do it. Some products are more straightforward, and the client's answers will be enough to move on to the next stage. But if there is a complex product, you may ask the client to analyze the product in person. If it is not feasible, you should research the product online and ask clients as many questions as possible. Here, the products are more straightforward. You can quickly tell they are children's activities to keep them busy and help them learn new concepts. Congrats! You have completed the first stage. Now, move to the second one. In the second stage, you need to analyze the benefits of the products.
Here, our products have 4 benefits. It keeps children busy. It helps the toddler to improve fine motor skills. It allows children to recognize colors. It enables children to improve their art skills.
Congrats! You have completed the 2 stages. Now, move to the third one. What could be our target audience? Our target audience will be parents, preschool teachers, and daycare facilitators in Pakistan. Congrats! You have completed the 3 stages. Now, move to the fourth one. What will be the best way of reaching the target audience? Here, you must research what social channels our target audience uses widely. It seems that Facebook and Instagram is the best way of reaching our target audience. At the same time, YouTube, with an explanatory approach, could be used as a supportive channel to reach out to our target audience. Congrats! You have completed the 4 stages. Now, move to the 5th one. What language level will be best for them to tempt them? The simple language with a more straightforward vocabulary will do the wonder here. No jargon should be used. 1 or 2 technical terms can be used to tempt daycare facilitators and preschool teachers. So you got the answers to all the required questions. It's time to create content or write a social media copy for one of these products.
I chose this one.
Are fruit names difficult for your child? Or do color names confuse him? Why not teach them in a fun way so they will never forget them ever? Order these adorable fruits to let your child color them while you cook their favorite meal. By now, we have limited pieces. Why is this a good copy? Because it grabs the attention, like,
are fruit names difficult for your child? Or do color names confuse him?
It addresses the target audience directly. It tempts parents by suggesting ways of keeping their children occupied while they get to complete their chores. It claims to help teachers and daycare facilitators learn fruits and color names better and quickly. And most important, it has clear and strong CTA by creating scarcity of the product. There are more pictures of the same brand. Can you develop a good copy for those pictures for me? Are you ready to accept the challenge? Develop a social media copy and post it in the comments below. The winner will be featured on my YouTube and Instagram. I will check every comment and tell you how well you performed. Till then, bye. See you in next video. Do not forget to like, share, follow, and subscribe.